Excuse me, sir. I have to use the ladies' room. I'll be right back. I hated everything about that. Hi friends, hi fam, what's poppin'? I hope you guys are doing so super well, living your best life, staying hydrated, checking in with your friends, your family, you know, just doing the damn thing. My name's Janae and I am not a beauty guru, okay? So if you are looking for a beauty guru, you need to hop on and skip on to someone else. But when it comes to beauty and makeup, I respect it, I admire it, and sometimes I enjoy it, like when I'm in Sephora. But it's not really something that I absolutely love doing. I would much rather get that extra 15, 20 minutes of sleep. But you know, your girl got dark spots, hyperpigmentation. For this video, I'm gonna show you how I manage to make my face look a little bit more decent within 5 minutes, okay? So we're gonna set a timer so you guys can see the real deal, and we're just gonna jump into this video, okay? All right, we are setting the timer. So I am not a cuckoo head. I know we all have different facial features, different skin types. So I'm not saying this is an end all be all. This is just something I do that makes me feel a little bit more fresh faced without putting in that much effort, okay? This is not fair. I cannot even see because I don't have my glasses on. So really, this is a double whammy. We are doing a blind makeup tutorial. What's up, what's good, what's poppin' with the blind? Sorry. I said I wasn't gonna talk and then look, here we are. I feel like we're friends. Why would I just ignore you like that though, sis? Yeah, anyway, I apply with the brush because it saves time. My hands don't get dirty. I don't have to go dampen a beauty blender. I don't even know if that's what you're supposed to do with beauty blenders, but this is my go-to. I just use some brush that someone passed down to me. Moving on to concealer. I didn't used to conceal, but you know, a bitch has aged, so here we are. Oh. And I just go where all my dark spots are, and that's where they are. And honestly, I use the same brush to just buff that out and buff that in. Now, if you have time, you're supposed to let your concealer sit for a minute. If you have like dark spots or scarring on your face, you're supposed to let the concealer sit so it can really sit. Don't know the technicalities of that. Now I know we all have different skin, so like I said, you gotta do what's, I don't have my main thing. Pause. BRB. Okay, I had to pause the timer because I forgot one of my most important products, and that is this fat stick. She thicky thick and she gets the job done. She can be put on your eyes, your cheeks, your lips for some color. Sorry, y'all, I'm burping. I just do all three. Look at it. No time for eyeshadow or anything else. Okay, and she's not blended in at the moment. I'll do that in 2 seconds. And then I usually just take a brush and dab her in so it's not looking crazy. I literally use the same brush. The beauty gurus are going to come for me and I'm scared. But I did not claim to be a beauty guru. I claim to be a lazy bee who's trying to look cute. All right, and then I know highlighting for some people is dead, but not for me. A bee got a glow. I think this helps me look more awake, more alert. All right, we're getting down to the nitty gritty. Just do under the brow. I'm not even explaining what I'm doing, but y'all can see what it is, What's up? Okay, and then other than that, it's just mascara. Last step. We have 1.5 minutes to do mascara. I've actually never used this mascara, so this could go terribly wrong or terribly right. No idea. But there's a primer involved, so I'm gonna give it a try. This is gonna be an extra step I've never had. And I go above my lashes and underneath. Oh, sorry, am I even in the camera? I don't even know how do people do this in the camera? What? Oh my gosh, I commend beauty gurus. This is really difficult. I can't see jack snap, nothing. I hope y'all can see me. All right, oh, we're down to 44 seconds. Gonna do some mascara. And honestly, I usually am moving this fast when I am putting on makeup because I am running late. But I don't usually have a timer, I just have the clock going. All right, we're down to 30 seconds. Now, usually I would have a little bit more time to put on my mascara, but I tried a new mascara today. And honestly, can't say I love 6 seconds. And then lastly, just a little finisher. You don't even need this. Okay, that was literally 5 minutes. I was not tripping, y'all. I was telling you the truth. Okay, you guys, that's it for this makeup tutorial. I hope that, you know, you're not going to attack me for my technique because like I said, I did not come to you saying I'm a pro. If you have any questions, don't be shy, babies. Let me know. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for almost 40K subscribers. I appreciate you. I got mad love for you. Hashtag Nugget Head Gang Gang. Gang, 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 gang.